But
So
you're
how could it
asking
play?
me, no,
Hold on.
wait.
How could it be
No,
the
no.
golden age of the Jews if they weren't in Israel?
That's what they called it. That's what I'm trying to say.
No, that's what
But
the
at
Muslims called
No,
it.
no, no. Listen. Because what you said is basically that they never lived in peace under the Arab rule.
No, I asked a question. I said, can you point to an example?
I just pointed it
And
out to you right now.
I find it to be completely lackluster. It's just not true. But
Was there no peace to the Jews in Al-Andalus Empire? Is what you're trying to say?
no, no, again, I don't want to go back into like 8th century history.
That's
with
what
our
you
time.
asked. You asked a broad question.
I didn't
so
ask you. That was a video like a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, but
I would not say the Ottoman Empire was an example of peace. But I just want to be. If Israel laid down all of its weapons, what would happen?
if Israel would lay down all of its weapons, I've heard what you said. You said that basically that Hamas members will basically take control of Israel.
Or the Arab world would, right?
The Arab world wouldn't. Why would the Arab world would?
Why did they do it on the 6-Day War? Why would they do it on the Yom Kippur
The
War?
6-Day War. You talk about the 6-Day War when Israel basically attacked Egypt.
No, they were attacked and provoked by. I mean, it's like
They-
let me just
they
pause.
had- they just had control of the
I want to
Suez
get to
Canal.
another question, but I have to say something, and this is what's disappointing. It's okay. He's coming in good faith. I have never been more pessimistic that this problem will ever be solved. Not because of you, but because there's just two different realities when it comes to this, and you cannot solve a problem when one side has a completely different telling of history than the other side. And that's fine. I'm not trying to attack
You
you.
think what I'm saying about history is wrong? About the Ottoman
Yes,
Empire
but I don't
and
want to
Andalus?
dwell on that. But more
Can you correct me
important,
though?
more importantly than that,
Okay.
is that the other side has a completely different view of it. So I don't even know how we can reconcile this.
There are extremists on both sides. That's what I'm trying to
Well,
tell you.
here that's the problem.